On February 28, 1975, a London Underground train pulled into Moorgate Station and never slowed down. The driver was experienced. The brakes worked perfectly. His hands were found in the normal operating position. The train hit the dead-end tunnel wall at full speed. 43 people died. Investigators went through everything: the brakes, the controls, the driver's blood, his personal life, his finances, his relationships. They found no mechanical failure, no medical event they could confirm, no alcohol, no drugs, no suicide note, no crisis anyone knew about. Nothing. The inquest returned an open verdict. That is the legal way of saying we documented everything and still have no answer. What makes this so unsettling is not that the evidence was lost or corrupted. It is that the evidence is complete. Every detail of that morning is on record: the speed, the position, the sequence of events. And somewhere inside all of that precision is a silence that 50 years of investigation has never been able to fill. No one knows why he didn't stop.